I'm Nick from How to Agender. Welcome back to my channel. The time has finally come to show you my shoe room slash bedroom slash beauty room slash vintage clothing storage. Pretty much my chill zone in general, let's say. So I'm super proud of it. I've spent literally years working on it. Because the shoe closet has been built in 2016 and it took some development to get it to where it is right now. And over the last few weeks, I've also had some time to declutter things, to reorganize a lot of the stuff that's going on here in my room. So right now I feel very happy about it. So I thought this is the time to show it to my subscribers. Now, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to do so if you love shoes as much as I do. If you're interested in gender topics as well, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below what you think about my room. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this room is actually because I feel like it reflects my personality a hell of a lot. It really contains all of the items that I love and that I value. So by showing you my room, I really show you a bit of my personal life, my private life, but I feel comfy about it, so no prob. So if you're interested in seeing everything that's inside, make sure to continue watching this video. Let's dive in. Alrighty, so this is what the room looks like when you enter. As I've said in the intro, it's very much a multi-purpose room. So it consists of different zones, I would say, different areas that reflect different things that I like and personality traits. Now let's start with the elephant in the room, the shoe closet. This is something that I'm so super proud of. This is mainly the reason why I love to spend that much time in here. Now I'm not going to go too much into detail with every single pair of shoes because then this video would be 5 hours long, and I've already done quite a few shoe collection videos and there are a hell of a lot more to come. I've made a special playlist for it, so you can check it out right here somewhere. This whole closet actually contains 4 Billy bookcases from IKEA. That's a very good shoe closet structure in my opinion. So you have 2 closets with a door in front of it. Half of the door is with a glass window, as you can see, and the other half is closed, so you can store a bit more of clutter in there. And then we have one closet that's fully open and a corner closet. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you probably will recognize this structure because this is actually where I filmed before, like right at the beginning of my channel. Now it is my shoe storage. So right here, as I've said before, we have the whole Jeffrey Campbell collection. I did a video on this collection, so check that one out if you would love to see all of these on my feet. As you can see, I'm a huge fan of the Litas. They're so beautiful and so comfy. They do have a high heel, but they also have a big ass platform, so they are very comfortable. And because it's a boot and you have the laces, you can adjust it to your foot. Then in the closed section of the closet, we have a lot of shoes as well. Shocker. We have all my wedge sneakers here at the bottom. I absolutely love those. Then we have got a selection of Primark heels right here. We also have my United Nudes that I absolutely love. They found a place in the closed section as well. And then we have got a row of various pairs, pretty random. If I have to pick out a pair, these ones I absolutely love. These are by H&M from their studio collection quite a few years ago. They are too small for me, but I really love the heel shape, and they are so outrageously high that I have to keep them as art. Then we have got the corner closet. This is like a miscellaneous thing. I love to store my newly bought shoes in here. For example, these gorgeous ankle boots that I bought about a month ago, I think, on Zalando. They have a beautiful place right here for now. This shelf is very special to me because a high school friend of mine passed away last year, the beginning of last year, from cancer, and she really loved Tinkerbell, so I bought this toiletry bag. I actually gifted it to her, one of those, and I bought one for myself as well at the time because I really loved it. And now the shelf serves as sort of a tribute to her. It's very important to me. These little bad boys you probably will remember as well if you've seen older videos of mine. These are the beautiful ship mugs and the mom of the two little ones that I got at Primark. These shoes you have not seen on my channel yet. These are Tubby Boots by Margiela. I have saved up for these quite a lot, and I finally bought them. Super happy with them, and I will do a first impressions video around these in the very future. If that video has been uploaded, I will link it right here, but for now, these are such pieces of art. I absolutely love these. I'll get through the books on the bottom shelves later. First up, this beautiful display. This closet is open and I mainly use it as like a display closet. I regularly change the shoes that are in here because on top I still have quite a lot of shoes in boxes. So I regularly change that. What are the highlights in here? I absolutely love my Alice in Wonderland shoes by Irregular Choice. These do not fit into the collection closet anymore, so they deserve a very special place on display. I also really want to show you a new perfume that I bought. This is the Replica perfume by Margiela. This is the scent Jazz Club. It's a very nighttime fragrance because it literally smells like cigarettes and whiskey. It's quite a heavy smell, but I finally bought it and I'm super happy with it. So right now it deserves a place right here on display. Then another pair I would love to show you are these. You haven't seen these in my videos either. These ones I bought in Rotterdam quite a few years ago, which is like one of the problems. I basically buy shoes like as souvenirs or in countries that I've never been to or in cities. Then I buy a pair of shoes and then I'm like, well, I don't really wear the shoes, but I bought them in Rotterdam and they're sort of like a reminder to that fantastic time, so I cannot part with them, and that is really a struggle. The final part of the shoe closet is my Irregular Choice collection. I did a video on these ones in 2017, but I will certainly do a new one this year, as soon as possible actually. There are a few pairs that are new and I sold a few pairs as well, so the collection changed a bit. These ones, for example, you have not seen yet in a video. You did see them in my Agender lookbook that I did, and you've seen them on Instagram as well if you follow me down there. These are part of the Toy Story collection from Irregular Choice last year. Yeah, last year. These are absolutely phenomenal. I would love to show them in detail in another video. Oh yeah, I actually did a video on these. I unboxed these together with the other pair. I will link it right here as well. There are a lot of videos to link in this video because it all contains my memories and a lot of things that I love to film videos around. So yeah, this is the Irregular Choice shoe collection. Not much to say about that one. Then over here I have a whole lot of books, basically around fashion and art. two of my main loves in my life. I have a whole lot of books around Alexander McQueen. I have the beautiful Dries Van Noten book right there. I have some Vogue Man, Vogue Homme right there. I really love Glam Cult as well. It's a magazine from Holland that I try to buy pretty much every time. It's an independent magazine and they do stunning editorials. So that one is very new, so I'm keeping it right here within reach. I also love Art Deco fashion. I love accessories. I love shoes. Like I have a book around killer heels, shoe design, the whole shebang. And finally, over here I have all my fashion magazines from Vogue's from pretty much every country till the Elle from Belgium, Harper's Bazaar, a hell of a lot. And also my nail polishes are right here within reach, which is super convenient. Right here in the corner I have some vintage clothing that I absolutely love. It's a bit difficult to film with the lighting, but we have got plenty of printed shirts that I really like this Escada one. We have an iceberg vintage shirt. I really love buying vintage clothing on yard sales and on a lot of secondhand online stores, things like that. I'm hunting for vintage clothing pretty much all the time. I am obsessed. And over here by the window I have some trinkets, some little knickknacks that I love to keep. I have my beautiful pineapple lamp. I have a shoe display on my nightstand as well to keep shoes as close to me as possible at any time. Then this is the bed. I would say this is where the magic happens, but to be honest with you, not a hell of a lot of magic happens right here. Then behind the door I have another Billy bookcase. This is an older one. It has like thicker shelves, but the idea is the same. On top I have all my Jeffrey Campbell and Irregular Choice shoe boxes because I love to keep them, and this is a very convenient place to store them. Right here I have fabrics for when I would love to sew something again. I have my beautiful beauty collection that I will very shortly show you a bit more in detail. Then I have some bags right here, a bit of shoe design patterns, and craft supplies on the bottom shelf. Let me show you the beauty collection a bit more into detail. Right here we have this box, which was actually a cutlery box that my parents got when they bought new cutlery, and then they gifted it to me. I mostly used it for jewelry in the past, but since a few months I'm using it for lipsticks and eyeshadow palettes. On top of the box we have my brushes, Smashbox set that I would love to use some more, the Fenty Beauty liquid lip, eyeliners and eye pencils, lip care products, and then a few of my NYX liquid suede lippies that are more of nude and berry tones. So in the first drawer I have my high-end lipstick collection. I have got a lot of Jeffree Star, a lot of MAC, I love Ofra. I have here some miscellaneous like Pretty Vulgar, Estee Lauder, Smashbox as well. The next drawer is also lippies, but drugstore, so we have Primark, we have a whole lot of NYX, some Catrice, some Essence, my Essence lip glosses, all of that. And then the last drawer is eyeshadow palettes that are a bit bigger, a bit more bulky. We have the Alice in Wonderland for Primark palette. We have a Smashbox Double Exposure Little Mini. We have the Naked Heat from Urban Decay, Jeffree's Beauty Killer and Androgyny, and the Blood Sugar palette. And underneath I have my Juvia's Place palette as well. Then right here it's all the rest of the beauty products. So we have a few more eyeshadow palettes right here that are a little bit smaller. Then we have some miscellaneous things like lip scrub, brush cleanser, micellar water, things like that. I have my lashes in here. I have a few backups of products that I use often. Then I have glitters and base products and all of that right here. Okay, you guys, so that's it for my shoe room, beauty room, bedroom tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any future content around shoes and gender. Let me know what you think of the room in the comments down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!